Good day, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. You're welcome to the channel. This is Yuglo Fashion. So today I'll be showing you how to make this structured pleated sleeve. It's a very lovely sleeve, so please stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. It's well detailed, it's beginner friendly. So I'll be making use of this doll face, and to cut that, you know, each fabric has 4 angles, so you just pick any point you want out of the angles, and the length I'll be working with is just 18 inches. And the 18 inches, I added 1 inch for M. I added ½ inch for M since I'm going to use another fabric to turn it, and also ½ inch to connect to the sleeve, to the shoulder. So at that point, you just place your tape rule at the peak, I mean the angle, then you measure the 18 inches round. So I'll be showing you 2 methods to do this, though the 2 methods almost look the same, but one is easier than the other. So this is the 18 inches. You just measure it round, just like when you are cutting your normal peplon flay. Then you cut it out. Another method is to fold into 2. You pick the edge and fold into 2 equal parts. Then you place your tape rule at the peak, at the angle. Then you measure whatever measurement you want to use. You can use up to like 22, 23, but here I'll just be using 18 inches. So you go around with the same 18 inches and you cut it out. You are still going to get the same result eventually. So after cutting it out, I went ahead to cut it on my lace fabric, the same measurement, and also cut it on my lining. And I added peplon stay to it. So after that, I stitched both the doll face and the lace together. You can use your hemming gum if you don't want to stitch. Just place the hemming gum in between the two and iron. Then after the stitch, I also turned it. I stitched the lining just to turn it to ensure that it has a smooth edge. Then I turned the wrong side back to the right side. After doing that, I went ahead to stitch the 18 inches, I mean the M line. So I just stop stitch on it. Now you are done with your sleeve. You can see how easy it is. The next thing is just to notch the middle. You get the midpoint so that when you are pleating, you know where to stop at the shoulder. And when you want to pleat, just measure like 2.5 inch from the armhole, or you measure 3 inches from the armhole side. Then you start your pleat. Just pleat all round. So thank you very much. You can see how simple and easy it is. Thank you. Bye.